First, import your footage into the timeline. I downloaded this clip from Pixabay. Next step, add a text layer and type whatever you want. In this example, I typed speed because my footage is about a car. Then, place your video layer on top of the text layer. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can we see the text? Wait a few seconds. Here comes the magic. Click on the video layer, go to Blend Mode, and select Hard Light. Boom. Now you can see the text showing through the video, and the video's color tone has changed into a bold, hard-styled look. Now for another important step. Go to the audio section in CapCut and search for Crazy Speed. Why is this important? Because we're going to edit the video to match the rhythm of the music, which makes everything look way more attractive and professional. Add that music track to your timeline and trim your video to match the length of the music. Next, click on the text layer, move the cursor to the beginning of the timeline, and add a keyframe. Then, move to the 3 seconds mark and add another keyframe. Make sure your keyframes are matched to the beats of the music. This helps a lot when adjusting the text animation. Now, move the cursor to around the 6 seconds mark and add another keyframe. Then, add one more keyframe and this time, change the text scale to 9,000. Wow, you'll now see a smooth zoom-style text transition happening. Let's level this up with some cool effects. Go to the first beat, head over to Effects, and choose Shake 03. Adjust the shake effect to match the beat, like this. Now copy and paste that shake effect on 2 layers. Move to the next beat point and do the same. But on the final beat, I added only one effect because I want to add another one later. Now, remember, we used the hard light blend mode earlier. After this point in the video, I think it's better to switch back to the original color tone. So I trim the video at this beat and change the blend mode to normal. Here's an important point. If you just remove hard light at the cut point, you'll get a huge color mismatch in your final output. So instead, I go to Filters and choose the Maldive filter. It gives a high resolution tone. I apply it from the start of the second video clip until the end. Now, to keep it stylish, I add another filter in the middle of that second video clip. I choose the copper filter to get a dusty, cinematic look. At the same time, I add the Glitch Level 02 effect for a unique and creative vibe. Let's move into sound effects. I downloaded two sounds, a glitch sound and a deep cinematic whoosh. I matched the whoosh with the text scaling point and trimmed the glitch sound to fit the spots where I added the shake effects. Remember I told you earlier I'd add another effect at the final beat point? Here, I add the zoom lens effect to bring even more energy. Almost done, just a few final touches left. Now, adjust the sound levels to your liking. Then I thought, why not add a horizontal open effect to get an even more cinematic look? So I added that too. And finally, let's add some cinematic bars. If you want, search for Cine bars in CapCut or do it manually like I did. I added two black bars that I downloaded as a JPEG from Pinterest. You can find them anywhere. Then I resized and placed them to fit the screen. Boom, now check out your final output. And remember, make it your own by tweaking things using your creativity. I hope this video helps boost your editing skills and creative flow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned. Have a great day. This is Shutterdot signing off.